What's the difference between coarse course and course? Well, let's see. Coarse course is an adjective. It means rough or loose in texture. Example, coarse sand scratched my skin. It also means impolite or crude. Example, he made a coarse comment during dinner. It also means simple or unrefined. Example, coarse fabrics were used for the upholstery. Now, what about course? Well, it's a noun. It means a path or direction. Example, the ship changed course to avoid the storm. It also means a sequence of lessons or studies. Example, I'm taking a course on economics. It is also a part of a meal. Example, the main course was delicious. Now, key differences between these two. In meaning, coarse emphasizes texture, politeness or refinement, while course refers to direction, education or food. In context, coarse often describes materials or behavior, while course typically involves navigation, education or cuisine. Now, more examples to understand the difference. The coarse wool sweater was uncomfortable. Here we use coarse. I'm taking a course on photography. Here we use course. He spoke in a coarse tone. Here we use course. The golf course was beautifully landscaped. Here we use course.